If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on eBay, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve these issues effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your credit card or PayPal account is active and not expired. Step 2. Update payment information. Log into your eBay account and navigate to the payment settings. Update any outdated information such as card numbers or billing addresses to ensure accuracy. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause payment problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try making the payment again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily. eBay may flag transactions from these services as suspicious, leading to payment declines. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment declines on eBay. If issues continue, consider reviewing eBay's policies or seeking further assistance from your payment provider.